magic eggs on the floor, each one shining. Who wants more? Egg number 1 goes hop, hop, hop. It changes color, then we stop. Egg number 2 goes round and round. Crack it open, what's been found? Egg number 3 says shake, shake, shake. A rainbow toy is what we make. Egg number 4 goes slide, slide, slide. Open the shell, what's inside? Egg number 5 goes up so high, changing colors in the sky. Egg number 6 goes tap, tap, tap. Open it up, surprise, clap, clap. Egg number 7 sings la, la, la. Colors sparkle, tra, la, la. Rolling, rolling, eggs go by, round and round, oh my, oh my. Red egg rolls so fast and bright, catch it quick. Down on the farm, oh what a sight. 6 little eggs come rolling bright. Out of the house they bounce in a row. Let's see the colors, ready, let's go. Crack, crack, open wide. Look inside, what's there to hide? 6 eggs waiting, big surprise. Something magic for our eyes. Here come the tubes, colors in line, pouring paint, oh how they shine. Red and orange, yellow too, purple, green, and sky so blue. Fill them up, swirl around, color magic all around. Pour it, don't be late. Watch the eggs decorate. Snap, snap, the shells close tight. Eggs are shaking left and right. Wiggle, jiggle, up and down, changing colors, spinning round. Shake, shake, eggs in line. Wiggle, jiggle, looking fine. Hop to the left, hop to the right. Colored eggs are such delight. Spin around a rainbow show. Up and down they jump and glow. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Dancing colors can't be beat. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Dancing colors can't be beat. Shake, shake, the egg turns red. Like an apple, bright it spread. Now it's time for shining purple. Grapes so sweet in every circle. Next we see the egg so orange. Pumpkin glow with happy storage. Yellow egg begins to shine. Like the sun, it's warm, divine. Blue comes last before the green. Sky and ocean, calm and clean.